Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at basic attention token. Um, I haven't really been covering this one in a hot minute. We've been covering VChain a lot because of its recent move and where it is now on its chart, and so I think it's prudent to make an update with basic attention token, as we are not at the top of the chart. We are far from it still. There's a long way to go with basic attention token. But I mean, on the daily, we're up 4% for today. We kind of retraced since last week, and dropped of our Bitcoin valuation by about maybe 10%. However, this structure in relationship with the 20-day moving average has been working out great thus far. Um, just recently, we made a bounce off of it. Now, necessarily with with basic attention token, we don't drop to the 20-day moving average. We kind of essentially move sideways and we run into it every single time. And every single time we touch it, we move up. So here we are again. We're dropping and we're now potentially moving sideways. And hopefully we run back into the 20-day moving average and we rise again. That's essentially what I'm seeing. Something like those things don't happen forever. Like I just don't think it will keep on going forever, but I'll take it as it comes. Um, I'm pretty up. I'm pretty good on my basic attention token position in terms of dollar value against Bitcoin. We're up about maybe 200%. Um, and I bought around 730 Sats Satoshis, and we're at 230% against Bitcoin, so doing pretty well. However, we could be doing better. We could be doing a lot better. And one thing I noticed is I bought basic attention token and VChain around the same time. Okay, and VChain is I've totally sold my VChain position because of look where we are. We're up at this range now, and with basic attention token, I sold two positions out of potentially five whole positions. So essentially, I divided my stack into five cells, and I've already sold two, but now I'm waiting for the three. But the three's more up in this range here. So things are a little difficult with basic attention token. Things are not going fast enough as I would like it to be. And that is a risk in itself, and that's something I'm okay with. But much like I talked about with Ethereum, right? Where altcoins have been going on an amazing rally. Ethereum has been kind of lagging behind against that rally. I think it is time for Ethereum to start its own rally. But if Ethereum starts rallying, then altcoins are most likely going to stand by and watch. Um, Luckily, I don't trade my basic attention token against Ethereum, it's against Bitcoin. So there is a chance that both will outpace Bitcoin, but Ethereum will outpace BAT, against each other. So that's a positive outlook on it. However, that just means that I could have just bought Ethereum and would have made better returns, which is not good for my BAT position, because I'm holding a more volatile coin in BAT. I expect a larger return from that than Ethereum. But be as it may, here we are. That is a risk of if Ethereum does decide to rally, and also Bitcoin can start to rally. We just made a new all-time high. If we're in uncharted territory, it the likelihood of Bitcoin going into price discovery mode, going parabolic, is very real. And if that happens, then you're gonna see a move from basic attention token that no one will like. We'll see it bleed. We'll see it bleed against Bitcoin, and but its US dollar value would be fine. Um, but its Bitcoin value would drop, and that's not what I'm looking for. So we're in a pseudo ticking clock. We just don't know when the clock is going to stop, and Bitcoin's rally is going to begin. So you could sense, for me, I feel like almost a sense of urgency with basic attention token, that it needs to start really ramping up the rally, um, in time before Bitcoin or Ethereum starts to rally. So that's the position basic attention token is in. Because I know that if large cap altcoins start to rally like Link, Ethereum, uh, because apparently it's like yesterday they rally in tandem. But um, if those things happen, like basic attention tokens most likely going to be left in the dust. I don't want that. I want to sell my basic attention token up in this region here, um, and that is the plan. But we'll see what happens. I mean, if Bitcoin starts to rally towards $75,000, then I'll have to rethink. Most likely, I'll just hold my bat position. I mean, it doesn't take up too much of my portfolio, so the risk of holding it is greatly reduced in comparison to the rest of my portfolio, which is a good thing, and I think that is a smart way of handling high volatile cryptocurrencies like Basic Attention Token. But that is the current situation here. Basic attention token still looking good. The 20-day moving average is still on our side. It's acted as great support thus far since the bottom. However, it needs to pick up the pace in order for it to in order for us to realize our profitable gains before Bitcoin and Ethereum start to rally. And I think that is the position BAT is in right now. Um, but I mean, it can change. We'll see what happens in the coming weeks with Ethereum because Ethereum had a great day yesterday. Let's see if it's able to continue. Maybe it's going to be a pattern of rally, consolidate. We simply don't know. It could just start to rally like insane from here for all we know. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.